Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Fishdom. If you want to log out or sign out of the Fishdom account you are signed in with, then the process is quite easy. First, go ahead and open your Fishdom application and make sure that you're inside this page. Now, from the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top left hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on Save Progress. You'll be able to see a sign out button for that account you are currently logged in with. Since I've been logged in with my Facebook account, it is showing me the sign out of Facebook option. If you are logged in with your Google account or your Apple ID, you'll be able to see the sign out button in the Google and Apple ID option as well. To sign out of your account, tap the sign out button and you'll be able to sign out of Fishdom. Be aware that logging out of your Facebook account may result in the loss of your current game progress, and you may need to start over or log in with a different account. So, to avoid unintended data loss, make sure to sign in using one of your Google accounts, Apple ID, or Facebook. That is how you can easily log out of Fishdom. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.